Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to advertise my CV on dubizzle. So the first thing I want you to do is just log into your dubizzle account, and here on your home page, you'll actually see right here, it says place your ad. So you can click here, place your ad, and then here you need to pick a category. In this case, choose jobs, and then they'll ask you whether you're hiring or you want a job. So choose I want a job, and then you need to choose your field. So for me, it's accounting or finance. For you, it could be anything else right here. You need to pick accordingly. If it doesn't fall into any of these criteria, click here on others. I'll choose accounting/finance, and now we need to fill in all of this information that is in asterisks. Everything you see with this asterisk symbol is mandatory. You need to fill these in except this one. These are optional, so you don't need to fill those in. Then let's start filling them in. So for the headline, I have stated my current qualification and what I'm exactly seeking. I want something full-time and I want a financial analyst role. Try to use keywords and also try to give as much information as you can in the headline. Be very specific because that is what will catch attention of recruiters. And then enter your phone number so they can actually contact you. For a cover letter, try to be brief but to the point and have as much information that is needed. They do give you 5,000 characters, and as you can see, this is just a sample. Provide the number of experience you have, your background, the skills you possess, what kind of role you're seeking, when you're available, and of course have a salutation at the end as well. Here we have just expressed our interest and what kind of position we're looking for. So gender right here, I'll choose male. You need to pick your nationality. They have all of these countries available, so pick the one that is applicable to you. For me, I'll choose American. You can of course just type it in here and look for that. And then we need to upload our CV. So I'll click here to go ahead and browse through my files. Here I have my CV, click on open, and now we need to choose our current location. So you just search it up. Let's do America right here. If you don't see it, of course, just search for United States right there, United States of America. There you go. And then you enter your current company, current position. So there's our current company. You can just type that in. For current position, they do have a drop down, but you can go ahead and search it up. So let's go ahead and just search up financial analyst. So we have right here, financial business analyst. I'll use this one. And your notice period. When are you available? So I'm available immediately. So I'll choose that one. What is your current visa status, right? So let's say you have an employment visa already, you can go ahead and pick that. Your expected salary, there you go. You can have it as negotiable as well. If you don't want to give a specific range currently, I'll give a range of 20,000 plus, and your current work experience. So for me, let's do 5 to 10 years. Your education level, master's degree, bachelor's, whatever is applicable to you. If you don't have an education, just choose not applicable. And then your commitment, do full time. Then you can select a location of where you'd like to specifically work. You could get that there as well. You can also pin that location. Then once you're done with everything, you can come here, click on next. They will redirect you to this page right here where you can choose a package that will work for you. Whether you want to feature your ad for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, okay? Or you can just keep it standard. This will give it normal visibility. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and pay that specific amount. You can enter your discount code right here. Then you start paying it. There you go. Your ad has been submitted and is currently under review, right? As you can see. But that is how to advertise my CV on dubizzle.